If this is you or your loved one or anyone you know, you will agree with me that snoring is very uncomfortable to both the snorer and whoever can hear them. Here is a recipe that will help reduce snoring drastically. Get equal quantity of both cardamom and cloves. Grind them into fine powder. Make sure to use the cardamom seed only. Take a spoon of the mixture, pour it in a saucepan, add a cup of water and boil for 2 minutes. Strain the tea and drink it warm, 30 minutes before you go to sleep. You will see results from the first night. Subscribe for more healthy tips.